Yo, this your boy boneygetson in the kitchen, getting it on. Today we cooking Zataran's dirty rice my way. Cooking it with the Italian sausage, ground up, shrimp, onions and peppers and shit, you know? That real good shit. So if y'all want cooking tips from the great boneygetson in the kitchen, y'all can log on to my Facebook page. I don't know my Facebook page, but it's a Facebook page. Yo, basketball housewives. It's a bunch of hookers. In that bag, see that bag? That bag is Zataran. It's that good shit. Yeah, it's your boy cooking in the kitchen with your man boneygetson. Yo, we're gonna be eating dirty rice outside of Bill's office. I heard he like dirty rice, but we ain't gonna give him nothing. Yeah, I'm doing my thing, you know. This me, your man. You can hit me up on YouTube too. That's boneygetson, Southside, no space. That's with no spaces. And you can get at me at bonybigmeat@yahoo.com. And you can get at me at bonybigmeat for the BBWs. That's 4 number DABBWS for the BBWs at hotmail.com. And you can find me on Facebook.com. Then we add that shrimp and that ground sausage. This is where it go down now when you add the shrimp and the sausage.
I have a huge surprise for them that I can't get to share with them. Today, you hear about Gloria and that domestic violence situation. I don't want that on anybody at all, but it's about your wedding canceled. Your wedding, we canceled the wedding, like that's why you never act like you're so tight, you know? Stay out and never hurt to share. Swear. Different. We all roll in the same boat.
Yeah. Puerto Ricans and Mexicans is not in the same boat, despite what the fuck they tell you. So Puerto Rican is different, the Colombian is different, the Mexican is different, wherever else, Nicaraguans is different. Cause yo, I fucked around and called a Puerto Rican a Mexican? Yo. Motherfucker like the one to cut me for no fucking reason. I mean, hey. They don't understand, but then I went and got grandma's famous cast iron pot. Think I won't bust a bitch in the head? You got me fucked up. They don't know. Bust a motherfucker in the head to the white meat.